Hello, today you will learn fun facts about viruses. Viruses are considered one of the most surviving creatures on the planet. However, their life may end when their number reaches the maximum limit because they cause great harm to the one who is their carrier. It is impossible to notice viruses without a microscope since they are very small. Their sizes range from 20 to 500 nanometers. Viruses are used by scientists in genetic engineering. Currently, with their help, and in particular we are talking about retroviruses, it is possible to change the chromosomes of people using the necessary genes of the virus. Human genes, which are responsible for immunity, carry a huge amount of information about viruses so that the body can recognize them and fight them. This also includes information that was transmitted from ancestors about viruses that have long disappeared from the planet. Scientists have found that all viruses in appearance have only 4 forms. Science does not stand still and divides viruses into those that contain DNA or DNA containing as well as RNA or RNA containing. There are viruses that have a detrimental effect not only on humans but also on other viruses as well. They are called mammaviruses. Viruses are dangerous not only for humans but also for animals, insects, and even plants. We can say that viruses infect all life on the planet. They can also be transmitted not only within the species but also between them. The first virus was noticed by the human eye about 100 years ago. But people had guessed about its existence long before that. Viruses have genes in their structure. Poison, the meaning of the word virus in Latin. About 7 billion people live on Earth. Many believe that this is the most numerous species inhabiting the planet, but they are mistaken, because the number of viruses is hundreds of thousands of times greater. One and the same virus can have a huge number of varieties and modifications. Their number can reach up to several thousand. Viruses can be used for good purposes. So, due to the very high number of rabbits in Australia in the 19th century, scientists used the virus to reduce their population as they destroyed plants and damaged the ecosystem. Viruses can infect various types of bacteria that can harm humans. Many diseases can be cured by using such viruses in medicine. Some viruses are larger than bacteria. These are mammaviruses. If you believe the theories of scientists, then in the DNA of a person there are remnants of the oldest viruses in an amount of up to 40%. Russian scientist Dmitry Ivanovsky is considered to be the discoverer of viruses. The opening date was 1892. Turning to the theories of the origin of life on the planet, one can find among them one in which it is believed that in the course of evolution bacteria merged with viruses, mutated. As a result, new cells were formed containing nuclei from which new multicellular organisms emerged. The onset of oncological diseases can be given by viral cells that have entered the body. The world's greatest pandemics are most often caused by viruses. If the information was useful to you, you can like and subscribe to the channel. See you soon.